Cari crew. Hey man, as y'all can see, cuz it's snowing. You feel me? Nigga, it's snowing, cuz. But I'm just recording it right now, letting the car warm up, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna, I guess, clip this in at some point. I need some gas, but I'm probably not gonna do nothing crazy, bro. I just wanna do a little slight quick POV drive, you feel me, with the snow, man. As y'all can see, bro, it's like, them heavy, boy, like, you know what I'm saying? So I want to give y'all the little inside part right here, man. I probably just, next clip will be me actually driving. Where I may get some gas, put a little cheap little bread in here just to, you know what I'm saying, get this video for y'all, boy. But I ain't never drove or lived. So live your first time in the snow, cuz, you know what I'm saying? So you feel me? We gotta catch it on film. You know what I'm saying? Gotta catch it on film, Cari crew. No cap. I wasn't gonna turn the camera around, but hey, you feel me? We gotta catch it on film, man. You know what I'm saying? Crazy, man. You feel me? But 30 degrees outside right now. Not nothing too crazy. So yeah. Well, I know I probably sound crazy saying that, but it done been colder down here. You feel me? And it's only 30 degrees and it's snowing. We done been out here in 22 degrees and it ain't no snow. You feel me? Just wind. So yeah. But make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get straight into it, man. Let my seat get warm, you feel me? All that good stuff. Gotta have your seat warm on, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have that heat on the floorboard, you feel me? Don't have it through the vents. How your window get all fogged up, you can't see, then you be looking retarded, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna get straight into it, man. After I let the car warm up right now, it's at 130. You know what I'm saying? Let it get about at least 160. 170 really, but it's snowing, so about 170. And we're gonna be out of there, but you know what I'm saying? I'll be back. Peace. Cari crew, I had to get out and show y'all, boy, before the snow got off the car, but look at it, cuz. I think Olivia look good white, bro. Man. I think Olivia look good with that white on, cuz. I don't know, I turned the white lights on just for this occasion, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, y'all peep gang, Splitter. You feel me? Splitter got snow on it, white beard on it, yeah. Damn. You feel me? But yeah, man, y'all see it snow everywhere. You feel me? Snow everywhere. Olivia looking too lovely right now. We got the mail truck working. You feel me? But yeah. You feel me, man? Something slight, but hey, I'm finna get some flicks right quick. And we're gonna go to the gas station, we'll get a little POV. Ain't gonna do nothing crazy. I might hit the gas a little bit. I don't got the flame tune on, but I'm probably gonna do just a little something, man. You feel me? But nothing too crazy. Let me get these flicks right quick. Y'all follow me on Instagram at 392 Cari so y'all can see these great flicks. I'm out. Well, yeah, Cari crew, we back, man. This is my first, POV, snow POV, you know what I'm saying? My first POV in the snow, you feel me? So you feel me, you know it's only right. It's only right. I may give y'all a baby stick one, not right now though. I'm just letting my tires get, you know what I'm saying? Not warmed up, but you feel me, like, to get a little, you know what I'm saying? Get that moisture and all that built up in there. When your tires been sitting still and you try to do that, that make it even worse. But when you've been riding for a little bit, it'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this is crazy, bro. Like, it's hard though. I just got some hard flicks too, bro. Make sure y'all follow my car page Instagram, boy, at 392 Cari. You know what I'm saying? No underscore, no space. Just 392 CARI. I'm telling you, y'all get your boy to 3,500 followers. You know what I'm saying? I've been stuck at 3K for a minute. Y'all get your boy to 3.5K. I'm probably just gonna get some gas right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get some gas right here. I don't really want to, cause I usually go to Walmart, cause the gas just cheaper, but we're gonna get some gas right here though. You feel me? And you know what I'm saying? Go like that. That's why you need all season tires. You feel me? Y'all boy need summer tires. You know, summer don't last that long, cuz. Y'all boy need on all seasons. So you can drive for any reason. You know what I'm saying? Ugly. But yeah, we're gonna get some gas right quick. You feel me? They ain't gas high over here. That be about 370, basically. Damn. 370 ball. But let me, you know what I'm saying, do my due diligence. And I turn the camera back on when I'm pumping gas. All right, car crews, y'all can see, man, we pumping that little gas, you know what I mean? Gotta be 93. If it ain't 93, nigga, it ain't for me, ugly. But yeah, man, it crazy, bro. Like, it crazy. They ain't no boy done covered up my brake light. Yeah, I need that, cuz. I think I should wipe it off. I'd be dumb as hell if I do that. I need shade. I need some shade. Snow just got in my pupil. Damn. Yeah, man. POV/vlog. POV/vlog, you feel me? First video in the snow. Ain't snowed down here in like 10 years, nigga, man. Let me clear that out. Just clear that off a little bit. Yeah, man, this is crazy work, not gonna lie. Crazy work, cuz, not gonna lie. Hands freezing for y'all nigga to quit little remote start. Oh, yeah. Alright, let me get my big back ass. Sloppy Joe butter. Back in the car, nigga. Look at that, cuz. Look at that, man. Dang. I'm so icy. Face ass.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hey, if you know, you know. You're probably too young. You know what I'm saying? You know about that one. That I'm so icy. But if you know, cuz. You know what I'm saying? We're finna get straight into it. Got a little gas, a little under half. My MPG so bad, it's 11.3. So I ain't got but 80 miles to eat, nigga. With under half a tank. Crazy work. But yeah, man, first POV drive. I love when I put my steering in track, but that must be different. Cause I ride naturally with eco mode with it in sport. But in sport be like, you know, it be tight, but like this is like this bit, hey, I ain't gonna say nothing too crazy, but it bit tight, you feel me? If you know, ugly. I would do drifting every turn, but I ain't got time right now to be doing that. I'm finna go somewhere, but y'all comment down below if y'all want that. I don't know how long it's gonna snow, but hey, I might just end up doing it. Feel me, on some cool jump. But I give y'all boys a little sticker when I get on that road. Hold on. Yeah, boys, a little sticker. I know it gonna spin, so I ain't gonna stab it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be a real driver. Y'all boys be safe though out there. Whoever in that snow, man, y'all driving a wheel like this or any rear wheel drive. You feel me? Y'all boys just be safe, cuz. I'm telling y'all to be safe. My seatbelt going out crazy, ain't it? Just like a nigga. Tell you to do the right thing, they ain't even doing it. Nigga be like, yeah, bro, don't do drugs. Cuz smoking a blunt right in your face. Yeah, though, but don't be like me, though. I can do that. But you don't do no drugs, you know what I'm saying? Ugly ass. I want to try to crack the window. So y'all can still hear. I don't think y'all need to hear. It's too cold outside. I ain't gonna need to hold you. Ooh, and their road slick. I might not need to do that. This car driving dumb slow too. Cuz, I ain't gonna lie. It's snowing and all. But you ain't gotta drive that slow, bro. If you got a front wheel drive car, but you're straight, you're really Gucci. Come on, cuz. You finna blow me, dog. I ain't gonna need. I'm finna pull over. Cause fast, I'm not riding behind you, bro. I gotta give y'all boys a sticker. And I ain't gonna be on that road that long. Hell yeah, I'm finna pull over. Cuz got me. No, not right here. Not right here. Cuz got me so bent, bro. All that slow poking around, bro. I don't care about none of that, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You can be safe, but all that slow poking, yeah. You might as well hit the road, Jack. Cause, boy, we ain't on that. You might as well hit the road with all that, boy. Let me go ahead and pull in. Dang, what my steering wheel feel? It feel, I must ain't drove that car in a minute. I should do a donut around that pole, ain't I? Should just hit that bit with the traction on. I ain't gonna do it. I got some good tires now, though. Yeah. Look at all these cars coming. Finna go ahead and get in front of y'all. I ain't gonna do a first gear. I'm gonna do a second gear pull. Hold on. Sticker. Woo, damn. You don't spin in third gear. It be spinning second though. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Let me get around that curve right quick. I ain't that stupid. So glad I got me some more time on. Man, all right, here you go. Slow down. Stick 'em. Damn. That bitch got a little swirly, but I ain't gonna lie, these tires, bro, holding up. No cap. These tires definitely holding up, bro. I can't even hold them. These tires doing what they supposed to do. That's what I paid for them for, you know what I'm saying? Good street tire, Continental. If your boys don't know about Continental, bro, now you know, you feel me? Continental like one of them low-key tires that folks don't really know about. They be like, them hoes ain't talking about nothing. But they talking about something, boy. I'm doing 40 rolls in the snow, nigga. Only thing that bitch do is go straight. It spin, but it goes straight. Oh, see, I got an alignment now, too, though. I forgot about that. Let's see, hold on. Let me get the second gear. Stick 'em. Oh, yeah, but that mug good. Oh, yeah. Boy, we straight. Boy, we straight. Let me do one more. No cap. Boy, we straight, cuz. Stick 'em. Oh, yeah, cuz we straight, boy. These surprisingly, how they stick in some snow, but I can't get them to hook on the dig for nothing. But you can stick on a 40 roll. Crazy. That crazy work, bro. Crazy work. Oh, I see a Mustang. Let me get out the road. I just seen a Mustang turn down the street. Gotta get out their way, boy. Y'all nigga be hitting stuff with bubble gum on the ground. With prep. No, y'all nigga hitting stuff like this. Damn. Yeah, these tires be trying to hook. They be wheel hopping. Look at that nigga with the scat. Ooh, that scat clean as hell, cut. That bitch too hard. But yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. I'm gonna pull over right here so I can end this. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Make sure y'all boy, like I just said, hit that like button, cuz. That's all I ask, cuz. Hit that like button, man. First POV in the snow. You feel me? With Olivia ever since I ever got her. So this is her first time taking the ice bath, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Real deal ice bath on that. But yeah. All my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets, man. Stay humble, you feel me? Y'all boy, help your boy get to 16K. We're less than 50 people away. Let's get to 16K, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much all I gotta say though, for real. Like I say in all the end of my videos as well. I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.